I have always loved the sea. When my brother and I took over the company from our father, it was like setting off towards an unknown horizon. And now, after almost 40 years, I still think it's a fantastic journey. We recently moved into new premises, and we usually say that the details make the whole, so we wanted everything to be connected. Design and quality are important to us, in everything from our products and how we introduce ourselves to the building's architecture and the furniture we work on. It was our architect who suggested AJ Products, and we are very pleased with the collaboration. The furniture is stylish, practical and of high quality, which does a lot to improve well-being. Over the years, I have learned that the horizon is constantly moving, and I'm still curious about what to expect.